Hey sheeple, what's up? And welcome to a new video. Today, we're seeing what happens with the Akinator if you just press the same button a certain amount of times. And then later in the video, we find out if the Akinator can guess famous YouTubers. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and play right now. We're just gonna do, here we go. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Ashley WSMD. I mean, I gotta hit yes. So. Now let's see.
Merhaba. Ciao. Konnichiwa. Bonjour.
What the frick? Okay, so let's just see about, I don't know. Wait, hold on. Don't know. The incognito guy. Smart guy who always answers, I don't know. Yep. Okay, let's see here. No. If I keep pressing no, then what will happen? Okay, let's see. Nothing. Okay. No.
Yeah, they have a ton of songs that I can practice with.
Do they have any other songs?
Yeah.
Do they have John Lennon song?
Okay, let's see about. Probably. Okay. What about if I only hit bro? Do I look like I care? Get off of my screen. Okay, now what if I hit probably not? Just gonna be like a special answer, won't it? Probably not. Okay, yep. Yo! Okay, y'all hearing this? Okay, we're gonna try out a couple famous YouTubers. We're gonna start off with Socks for One. He's real. Does not wear female clothing. He's a famous YouTuber, and he's known for Minecraft gaming, not associated with green, not married, not British. Oh, wait, no, why did I hate yes? He's not British. Does 24-hour challenges. He's not associated with Mr. Beast. He's not an FGTV. He's not a child. He's not Indian. He does wear glasses. Not purple-haired. What do you think he's? Purple guy? Does your character wear a spacesuit? Yes. That's literally the same question. No, he's not half animal. Okay. Yep, he got it. Socks for one. The space man. Okay, yep, it sucks. I'm hoping that one day I can cross over with socks, because I love socks. Name a superhero. Your mother. She bakes good cookies. Name a color in the rainbow. White. Okay, well, let's see about Mr. Beast. This is gonna be easy. Yes. 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 No. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. No. Yep. Mr. B6000. Okay, let's go with someone more harder. Let's go with someone else.
Hey guys, it's TJ Akinator, and I gotta show you this app called TJ. It's just crazy with what you can do with it.
No. No, I don't want to stop my broadcast. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, let's see about Cypher PK. Not a girl. He exists. He's from YouTube. Not known for Minecraft gaming. He has a gaming channel though. He's not black. Doesn't play Roblox. He doesn't live in India. He's a Fortnite streamer and he doesn't have blue hair. It's not Ninja. He doesn't wear glasses. He's not Australian. He's not a part of FaZe. He's an adult man. Yes, he's from Twitch. He has a beard. Cypher is not chubby. Yes. Yes, pretty much for a living. Okay, I'm thinking of a rare character. See a video. Oh my gosh. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Yo, okay. I'm feeling the vibe though. Yeah, it's Cypher PK. Bum ba ba dum bum bum. Okay. Well, okay, well, we're gonna see if the Akinator can, guess himself. What if we customize the Akinator to look like, him to look like an angry mom? Do this. Now we'll just do this. Bet. Okay, we're gonna see if the Akinator knows himself. No, you're not a female. You're real. You're not a famous YouTuber. You're not an actor either. You are pretty famous. You don't create music either. You're not linked with sports. No, you didn't die. You're still alive. You're not a politician. You don't own a company. You probably don't have a phone. You don't stand on 2 legs. You do have eyes. You have eyes. You don't have 4 legs. You're a genie. You wear a blue suit. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so that's going to be all for today's video. If you guys did enjoy that video, please like and subscribe. Because stupid, do I look like I care right now? I will use this gun. Okay? Okay, well, if you guys did enjoy that video, please like and subscribe so you can see me have some more fun on the Akinator and other games too. But that will be it for today's video. I'll see you guys all